This is the 60-inch electric fireplace. It is absolutely stunning. The controls are at the bottom right, or you have this handy remote that you can also control the speed of the flame, the color of the crystals, and the color of the flame. There's also an option to do a two-tone flame, which gives it a nice touch. Here you can see I'm changing all of the colors and the speed of the flame. This is absolutely stunning. We were a bit hesitant to order this, but we are so pleasantly surprised. I highly recommend it. It fits right into where your fireplace would go, and it's so easy to control. It also gets really nice and warm and does everything it needs to do. It's perfect.
Great fireplace. I'm very happy with my selection. It has a little remote that you can change the color on. Now you change the color. So this was a great choice, a great buy. I would recommend this to anyone. It was slightly challenging to put it in, but of course it's, we did it as a built-in. But other than that, it was a great buy for us.